Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosa, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen.
These are the ingredients we are using for today's cake order. This is our cream and cookies cake layers, and these are vanilla cake layers, less sugar. I'll be sharing a recipe to that very soon. We have our vanilla and milk syrup here. This is also no sugar addition. I'll share a recipe very soon as well. And we have our melted chocolate here. We have our serrated knife, the spatula. We have our biscuits, which is our Oreo cookies here, which will be placing into this glass bowl separately from the cream in between the cookies. This is our cake box, the cake set, and then the ribbon, our turntable, solution tape, some support sticks. This is our cake comb, cake topper, some other very important cake decorating tools like the piping tip, gold dust, tissue, and then our already cut and gold dusted fondant cutouts which read October bonds.
Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe.
We are going to start assembling the cake like we do usually on the channel. I assemble just two, and then you can check out other videos on the channel to see how it looks. My voice is a bit slightly different today because I'm not feeling well, so kindly forgive me. So we've placed on the first cake layer. As usual, I'll drizzle it with some of the syrup. Add some of the frosting here. Smoothen it out. So we'll place on the cookies and cream cake layer. Drizzle it with some of the syrup. Add the frosting. So this is how the cakes look like after all the stacking and assembling. We are going to straighten it out, crumb coat it, freeze it, and then we continue from there. Looks like I'll be piping with this piping tip here. We add the October bonds, the cake topper, and then the crushed Oreo cookies and some of the Oreos. This video won't be something I'll be talking much like the usual ones because I'm not really well, so my voice can't really be heard that much. We've got into going to add the cookies, press them closer to the icing. So this is how everything looks like after adding the cookies which we crushed on the bottom, the cake topper, and then our chocolate drip. Now I'm going to pipe rosettes on the top like this. Since the middle part will look a bit empty, we are going to add the rest of the chocolate and then spread it nicely. So this is the cake the following day, which is a few hours from yesterday. So what we are going to do is that we are going to close everything up with the case. This is it. We'll cover the top part. Secure it. Add the ribbon.
And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. This year, I would like you to try every recipe that we post on the channel and then give me feedback in the comment section. Also, don't forget to turn on your post notification icon with the inscription all, so that every Thursday and Sunday if we post new videos, you will find it. And we post short videos from Monday to Sunday, so you can check that out as well. Follow us on all our social media platforms on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and here on YouTube by subscribing. Help us to grow this channel. Till we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.